Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. I'm still working on the mudroom. I know, it's taking forever. But take a look what's in this video. Thanks for tuning in, Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. So in this video, I just kind of want to show you a little bit of one of the trims that I did. I did not use wood for the trim. What did I use? Take a look. Oh, look at that. That's masking tape right there. So what I did, this is rope. This is 3/4 inch rope. And what I did basically was I did one piece all the way around the top, and that was a little bit long, so I came down, and then I did all my corners a separate piece, and that's all I did. So let me show you the rope. So there's the rope. This is what I got. Twisted Manila. I bought it off of Amazon. This is what I purchased. And what I did was, this is just masking tape. They had masking tape on there. So what I did was I just bought some masking tape. About, this ain't quite 2 inches, but it's pretty close. I don't know what the exact dimension is. And once I measured out my distance, then I marked it with a marker, a Sharpie, and then I took this tape and I taped it about in the center of where that marker was, that mark that I made. And then that way I'd cut the center of it. And you can see how the cut came out. And all I did was cut it with this. And what I ended up doing was I ended up just kind of just sawing it. And it takes a while. You know, the sharper the blade, the better. But it worked out perfect. And then what I would do is I would just take some regular glue. Let me show you the glue I used. And then I just put some of this on the ends of it. This one, I didn't do it to this one yet. But I just put a little bit on the end. I don't know if I needed to or not, because it's not going to be used. Once it's in place, it's in place. So I did it anyhow just for my own peace of mind. But yeah, that's my trim. I'm going to continue with this same 3/4 inch. I like the 3/4. I think the size turned out perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that trim all the way around. It's just going to be in a corner and on the other corner, on the vertical and the horizontal corners. That's it. So everything else I'll use regular wood trim. But I like the look of it. I think it turned out really good. And then down here I just kind of butted it up to it. I guess I could have got fancy and drill a hole right through there and pop it down in there, but I'm not concerned with that. So there you go. A little bit more trim done on the mudroom. It's coming along nicely. Taking forever, but it's coming along nicely. See you, bye, have fun.